Hello there. Darth, Revan, and I were wondering who'd blasted their way into our fortress. We've been making plans to destroy your pathetic little village, Ahsoka.
Obi-Wan Kenobi, big fan. Gonna try not to gush. And Darth Revan, not as familiar with your work, but based on your clothes, I'm thinking Old Republic. Not much of a talker. Okay.
Forget talking. You gotta get aggressive!
Dad, why are you so aggro?
Are you gonna help me or not?
Oh, I don't think so.
What the? Dad! I guess that Force Lightning can come in handy sometimes.
Don't make it a big deal.